everyone, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Today on this channel we are cooking because I'm pretty sure when I get home my HelloFresh box is going to be here, and I am really excited because your girl has been busy with filming, editing, doctor's appointments, and HelloFresh just makes my life so much easier. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, it is a meal kit delivery service where you can pick anywhere from 3 to 4 recipes a week for 2 to 4 people, and they send you a nice package with everything you need to make this meal. I'm talking about your poultry, your beef, your condiments, everything to the exact size, and afterwards you get to recycle it and be done with it. It is amazing and a big time saver for me. And HelloFresh was actually gracious enough to sponsor this video. So if you are interested in checking them out, look at the link in my description, click on that bad boy, and use my code JAYMUNDEE 60, JMUND60, and you get $20 off of 3 boxes in total. So that's a total of $60. I'm telling you, this stuff is not only delicious, but it's something to do with your whole family, and it saves me so much time. So I'm gonna go pick up Arya from school now, and then I'm gonna show you all of the stuff that's in my box if it's already here, and we're gonna start cooking. So let's go. I'm so excited. My new HelloFresh box is here. Woo! So here's the box, and it comes with this nice thick insulation on the inside to make sure all your food stays fresh, and you can recycle this afterwards. It's also going to bring your recipe cards so you can follow the instructions while you cook. All of your kits are going to be in individual bags like this, and then at the very bottom you're going to have your beef, poultry, fish, whatever you ordered, and on the bottom of that you're going to have your giant ice pack. All of this can be recycled. What are you making?
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf.
Yeah.
Ta-da! What are you making?
Ham.
So this week's box, I got a ton of stuff that I haven't tried before. I got saucy thyme steak, which is supposed to be their fall flavors. Looks really good, but I still haven't decided what I'm gonna make today. Then we also got Parmesan crusted chicken. This looks really good as well. And then we have barbecue beef meatloaf.
Make the meatloaf. Meatloaf sounds good.
You want meatloaf?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So I guess that's it. We're going to make the meatloaf today. I'm not mad at it, so let's go ahead and get started. In this little baggie is all the stuff I'm gonna need for this meal, like scallions, cabbage, Yukon potatoes, panko breadcrumbs, white wine vinegar, mayonnaise, sweet and smoky barbecue seasoning, beef stock concentrate, Dijon mustard, and now I'm just gonna take all of my produce, wash it really well, and dry it before I get to cutting. So now I'm lining a baking sheet with a little bit of olive oil to get them ready for my potatoes, which I am going to cut up using my awful knife skills. I am not the best at cutting stuff, but I tried my very hardest and I didn't cut off any fingers. Next, I'm going to cut up my scallions, separating the whites from the green part because I am going to be using the whites for my meat. And here is Arya showing mommy how it's done. Look at those excellent cutting skills. She is definitely a pro. In a bowl, I'm going to add my sour cream, my mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, and my salt and pepper. Make sure that you try your mixture to see if you're happy with the amount of salt that you added, and keep adding if you need more. So next, in a bowl, I'm going to add my ground beef, my scallion whites, my panko breadcrumb, my beef stock concentrate, and 1 teaspoon of the barbecue seasoning, as well as salt and pepper. And I was really generous with the salt. Now I'm gonna grab my little grubby hands and combine this all, making sure that everything is coated and combined. And then I'm gonna make this into little meatloaf shapes. They should be 1 to 2 inches tall and 3 to 4 inches long. On my baking sheet, I'm going to add another teaspoon of the barbecue seasoning and a little bit of salt and pepper and some more oil, and I'm going to toss this all very well so they're all coated. I'm also going to add my meatloaf to the same pan, preheat my oven to 450. Once it's preheated, I'm going to bake for 25 minutes, and now I'm going to work on my salad, which is just cabbage, the rest of my white wine vinegar, salt, pepper, scallions, and 2 teaspoons of that sauce that we made. Once everything is out of the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my barbecue seasoning to that sauce along with the scallions. So now I'm just going to spoon this over my meatloaf and add some of the garnish, and look at how pretty that looks. I think it looks so good. Look how good that looks. Oh yeah. And there's Aria's little plate. So look how yummy this looks. I've mentioned it in so many videos how I love plating my food like restaurant food, so I feel like I'm treating myself. I am so extra, and this right now is, I feel like a chef, even though my cutting skills suck. So I'm gonna call my family over so we can taste test it, see how it is, and I'm pretty sure it's delicious. In fact, I kind of cheated. I know it's delicious because when I was cutting up Aria's food, I tasted the meatloaf and it is dang good. So let's try it.
Chicken?
No. You want papitas?
Pizza.
Is it yummy? It's good?
Yes.
You like it? You like the meatloaf? You like the papitas?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so it's Aria approved. Now let's see if it's hubby approved.
What type of sauce is this one?
I don't know, it like made me make a sauce with like sour cream and stuff. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. It's real good.
It's real good. So now I'm gonna try it. So he tried it before we can get on camera. He really, really likes it, as you can see. I'm gonna try it even though I already did. Hold on. I should have probably cut it before. So
Really good.
Yeah, it is really good.
Is that the ground beef?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is the ground beef. It's good, right? So guys, we've never been disappointed by a HelloFresh meal. To us, this is our little treat. We come together, we look forward to it. And if you want to try this at home, make sure to check the link in my description. I will leave the code up here. You'll get $20 off of 3 boxes, which is 60 bucks in total, and you can try it at home. If you have already tried it, leave a comment below. Let me know how you liked it. Let me know what your favorite recipes are. I definitely love the meatloaf. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me and my family today, and till next time. Jeez. Bye, everybody. Chicken wing? You're a chicken? Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Puppy.